Cattle can be an excellent tool to reduce the greenhouse gas emissions that are released during wildfire. They do this by reducing herbaceous fuels that could potentially be burned at a higher severity and intensity, resulting in more emissions. They also help prevent the encroachment of shrubs on grasslands. This is important because shrubs burn at a higher intensity than grasses, resulting in even more emissions from wildfire. Cattle can also create fire lines and reduce fuel loads in areas that are not easily accessible. The moral of the story is cattle are a great and inexpensive tool to manage our landscapes while providing food and other products.
Come down from the hills with your shirt